Yeah, I know.
Must have it blocked off, do they?
I know. Maybe not. My man's put it in to watch. He nearly touched the road with his bumper.
How come he's sponsored by CPAP?
Because that's, I don't know. They have all different sponsors. We're going out to them. Some the whole way down to the food store.
Oh yeah. I'd say they're still all coming.
Yeah. It's Ford Focus. Watch this bumper, look. It's so close to the touch of the ground.
Oh yeah.
It's like a millimetre away.
Like what are they doing there, do you know?
What? What? What'd you say?
You know the way they're down there, are they just checking stuff or like registering kind of thing?
No, just telling them like what they've been doing and all that, like what problems, remember?
Their stage and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh right, okay.
They're all doing all the same stages, but like they have to do all different ones at what look.
Different times. Like.
Yeah, look, that's like Neil's car.
Is that?
That's a Honda Civic, yeah. They're newer Honda Civics. Very nice, aren't they? A 151 motorbike, look. Watch this there, look. You don't do it fast for us. Ford Escort now. It's so cool that I'm able to zoom in while it's videoing.
And you're recording all of that?
I am.
You're saying it?
Oh yeah. Sorry about that. Look at alloys in this. Green. So cool, aren't they? I wish you could turn off traffic lights and then like and just like direct people wait till like they're waiting up there like. So they're waiting half an hour. What's he doing? Oh.
I'd say he was going to turn down there but he thought he couldn't.
Yeah. Look, two escorts, two best cars in the world. I'm so good at videoing. I'm so good at videoing. Oh god, look. He must have the blue clothes or something. Look, your man there. He's only going now.
I wonder actually whether we'd be better on that side.
Yeah. They do that when they go there. They do that.
Say so.
Yeah, it's pausing.